What's that flavor?
I forget. I think it's
Yeah.
called like Rainbow Unicorn something. I don't
Okay.
know.
All right. Let's go right over this way. One more. There we go.
There it was.
Nice. Perfect. Now face down.
No, it's called Marmalicious.
Okay. Take a deep breath in again. And out. There we go. Nice. How's the back been feeling?
It's stiff this morning. Really stiff.
All right. Lay to the right side. Take a deep breath in. And out. There.
Oh, that's a good one.
Excellent. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Got it. Hold that